Absolutely. Good afternoon. My name is Frank Janssens. I am the General Manager of the Weapon Systems Division of Cockerill Defense. We are here because we have a long historical relationship with the country. We have several hundreds of weapon systems delivered in the past. And the World Defense Show is becoming one of the leading exhibitions in the world. They are growing every year. We were here the first time 2022 alone. 2024 we were here alone, and now it's the first time we are here together with our sister company Arcus. It's the first time that we present one of the vehicles behind you. It's the MAV RX. It's a 4x4 armored vehicle, level 4 protected, but I think my colleague can explain it better to you. And we have mounted on that vehicle our CLWS, Cockerill Light Weapon System. It's a 25 or short 30 remote weapon station, more specialized anti-drone. So weapon systems, historically, everything started with our DNA. It's the large caliber 105 and 90. We started with the 90, then the 105. And then based on that experience, we also developed a wide range of remote turrets or turrets, man turrets in the range of medium caliber, 25, 30, or even 40 millimeter. With the arrival of Arcus, we also inherited the Hornet remote weapon station. So our product range now starts from 7.62, you can even put a 5.6 on it, from 7.62, .50, 40 millimeter automatic grenade launcher, 25 up to the 105. His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, he created Vision 2030. He wants to diversify the Saudi industry, not only based on oil, but also on other sectors, and one of the sectors is defense. And His Royal Highness wants to localize 50% of the military spending by 2030. So the time of simply delivering weapon systems or products, military products, from outside the kingdom to the kingdom, it's over. We need to localize subcomponents, components, and even complete turrets here in the country. So we are working on, with the partner, to localize the final assembly and even the manufacturing of subsystems here in the country. And here you see some electronic boards, PCBs, etc., which are part of our weapon systems to reach this 50% and even 60% of localization in the kingdom. The battlefield in Ukraine changed the combat principles. A lot of drones. Who says drones says also anti-drone. And with our Hornet remote weapon station, we have a unique feature where the lower part can turn independently from the upper part. Meaning we can put a radar on that part, focusing or observing a part of the battlefield while the gun is in the other direction. This is a unique feature. And with that feature, combined with target tracking systems, automatic target tracking system that we developed in our 105 30 millimeters, that combination of radar tracking systems, we did some first tests, very efficient results. And we are able to neutralize some drones. Sometimes they ask me, what's the best tank in the world? Is it the Leopard? Is it the Challenger? It's not about the tank, it's about the team inside the turrets. That's why training is crucial. Training is very important to be effective on the battlefield. That's why we have internally a department called Agiris with their own simulators. We try to convince our customers also to spend some money and to invest in training facilities or equipped with those simulators. We have three types of simulators. We have the classroom-based, it's like a war game. I'm exaggerating a little bit. It's behind a PC screen. Then you have the embedded simulators where the crew is sitting inside the turret. We plug the simulator and they are sitting in their real environment, and you have a trainer who can simulate different scenarios. And then you have the third one is the mobile one. You cannot ask soldiers on the front line to come to travel 1,000 kilometers to be trained. Sometimes you cannot miss the soldiers at the battlefield. We will bring the simulators to the battlefield, not to the front line itself, 10 kilometers behind, and they can be trained in the mobile simulators. In a certain segment of vehicles, we can offer a full solution, including a land combat system is based on mobility. We have it with Arcus. It's based on lethality. That's Weapon Systems Division. And you have protection and everything which is C4I2, command and control. With Arcus, in a certain segment, 4x4, 6x6, we can offer wheeled. We can offer a full solution to the end user. In other segments, tracked, we are not there yet. 8x8, we are not there yet. And maybe in the future, I don't know. We are still a supplier of weapon systems to other vehicle OEMs. And Arcus can also work with other weapon system suppliers. We don't want to compete with each other. We want to offer the best potential solution to the end user. So in certain segments, we can offer a full solution. In other segments, we stay independent.